In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication in Zoho Mail. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds a quick second check after your password, which dramatically reduces the chance of someone accessing your mailbox without permission. First, sign in to your Zoho Mail account. Next, click the profile avatar at the top right and choose My Account. On the left, look for the security section labeled Multi-Factor Authentication. In some views, it may appear as Two-Factor Authentication. Here you'll pick the verification method that suits you. The simplest and most secure for most people is Zoho OneAuth. It supports push approvals, QR enrollment, and even biometrics, so you can approve sign-ins with a tap. If you prefer text messages, choose the mobile-based one-time password option to receive codes via SMS. If you want an option that works offline, select time-based one-time passwords, which use an authenticator app such as Zoho OneAuth or Google Authenticator to generate rotating 6-digit codes. If your account and browser support it, you can also register a hardware security key, like a YubiKey, for a physical tap-to-approve experience. Whichever you choose, favor the method you'll reliably have on hand every day. Consistency is more important than novelty. Follow the on-screen setup for the method you chose. For SMS, enter your mobile number carefully and submit. You'll receive a one-time code. Type it in to confirm that the number can receive verification texts. It helps to be in an area with solid reception while you do this. If messages arrive late or not at all, an authenticator app tends to be more dependable across regions. For an authenticator app or OneAuth, the page will display a QR code. Open your app, add a new account, and scan the QR. The app will immediately show a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. Enter that code on Zoho to verify the connection. If a valid code isn't accepted, make sure your phone's date and time are set automatically so the codes are in sync. For a hardware key, keep the key handy and follow the prompt to plug it in or tap it, depending on USB or NFC. Use a supported browser so the security key can register correctly. Once verification succeeds, 2FA is enabled. The next time you sign in, you'll enter your password first, then complete the second step using the method you set up. Keep your chosen device nearby and update your settings if you change phones or numbers. If you ever lose access to the second factor, you'll need your account recovery options, so keep them current. With that done, you're set up for safer sign-ins and greater peace of mind.